Welcome everyone. Let's understand factors, multiples, common factors and common multiples. Factors of a number are those numbers by which the number can be divided exactly with leaving remainder 0. For example, number 15. 15 can be divided by 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself with leaving remainder 0. So we can say that 1, 3, 5 and 15 are the factors of 15. In fact, we can say that 1, 3, 5 and 15 are only factors of 15. Or there is no other factor of 15 other than 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. Let's learn how to find all the factors of any number. Question is, write all the factors of the numbers 48 and 60. 1 and 48 are the factors of 48. 2 and 24, 3 and 16, 4 and 12 are the factors of 48. When we divide 48 by 2, the quotient is 24. Let's check. 48 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. It means 2 and 24 both can divide 48. Now if you divide 48 by 3, the quotient will be 16. Let's check. 48 divided by 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 6 are 18. It means 3 and 16 are the factors of 48. When you divide 48 by 4, you get 12 quotient. 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8. It shows that 4 and 12 are also the factors of 48. 5 is not a factor of 48 and 6 and 8. If you divide 48 by 6, you get 8 times 48. It shows that 6 and 8 are also factors of 48. After 6, 7. 7 is not a factor of 48. 48 is also not divisible by 9, 10 and 11. Now division of 48 is possible only by 12, 16, 24 and 48 itself. So all the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. After 6, we'll take U-turn to write other factors of 48. They are 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48 itself. They all are the factors of 48. We'll write, so all the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Let's see once again how we are writing all the factors of 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now we are taking a U-turn, then 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. In this way, we will not make a single mistake and no factor of 48 will be left out. Let's find out all the factors of 60. 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. Division of 60 by 7, 8, 9 is not possible because remainder is not 0. After 6, we can divide 60 by 10, then the process will repeat. Then 60 will be divisible by 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60 itself. Now all the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then take a U-turn and other factors will be 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60 itself. Let's write all the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60 itself. Let's find out common factors of 48 and 60. We will also find highest common factor of 48 and 60. All the factors of 48 are, let's do it quickly. We'll try to find out the factors little quickly. If we divide 48 by 1, we get two factors. We get 1 and 48. If we divide 48 by 2, we get 24. If we divide 48 by 3, we get 16. If we divide 48 by 4, we get 12. When we divide 48 by 6, we get quotient 8. Wow, these are all the factors of 48. We can quick multiply and check. 1 into 48 is 48, 2 into 24, 48, 3 into 16, 48, 4 into 12, 48, and 6 into 8 is also 48. By the same way, find out all the factors of 60. When we divide 60 by 1, we get other factor 60 itself. When we divide 60 by 2, we get other factor 30. When we divide 60 by 3, we get other factor 20. When we divide 60 by 4, we get other factor 15. When we divide 60 by 5, we get other factor 12. When we divide 60 by 6, we get other factor 10. We can quickly check whether all the factors are correct. 1 into 60 is 60. 2 into 30 is also 60, right? 3 into 20 is also 60. 4 into 15 is also 60. 5 into 12 is also 60. 6 into 10 is also 60. So we have all the factors of 60. Now we'll find common factors of 48 and 60. 1 is common factor in both. 2 is also common factor in both the numbers. 3 is also common factor for both the numbers. 4 is also common for both the numbers. Then 6 is also a common factor for both the numbers. Now 12 is also common factor for both the numbers. After 12 there is no other common factor. We will write common factors of 48 and 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The highest common factor is, we can easily say the highest common factor is 12. So 12 is the highest common factor of the numbers 48 and 60. Now you find all the common factors of 16 and 28. Also find the highest common factor HCF of 16 and 28 by this method. Multiples. When a number is multiplied by other number, then the product is called the multiple of the number. Example, when 5 is multiplied by 6 gives 30. It means 5 and 6 are the factors of 30 and 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6. Let's do a question. Write first 7 multiples of 7 and 11. It is very easy. You just write table of 7. Or you can multiply 7 by first 7 numbers starting from 1. Get 7 multiples 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. We'll write the first 7 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. Let's write first 7 multiples of 11. We'll multiply 11 by 7 numbers starting from 1. We'll get 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 and 77. So the first 7 multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66 and 77. Let's find out lowest or least common multiple, LCM. Find the least common multiple of 7 and 11. Multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84 and so on. Let's find out multiples of 11. They are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132, 143, 154, 165, 176, 187, and so on. Let's write more multiples of 7. After 63, it is 70, 77, 84, 91, 98, 105, 112, 119, 126, 133, 140, 147, 154, 161, and so on. Now let's find out common multiples of these two numbers. We will also find least common multiples of 7 and 11. Here we can see the first common multiple of 7 and 11 is 77, and the next common multiple is 154, and there will be so many common multiples of both the numbers. But the least common multiple of 7 and 11 is 77. So 77 is our answer. Now you find two common multiples of 3 and 4. Also find LCM, the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4, by this method. Thank you for watching, learning, sharing and subscribing the channel.